This quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to delete messages on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know that how to delete messages on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the inbox icon and click on chat which you want to delete it. I have click on this and I want to delete this message from here. Then you have to click on select and click on delete it. This message will be deleted from your account. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.